Now, okay. Now, in gradient, for instance, we are drawing a line over here, beta. This is my x-axis. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Okay, and I'm having some a line which is going in this direction. I'm having a line which is going in this direction, which means it is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so I will have some values, different values at different points. Different values of x will be there. But when I go for okay, what will be the value of y? You guys can see over here. See, for instance, there is a value of y over here. That value of y will remain same for the whole line. Value of x will be changing, but value of y will be same for the whole line. It means if I say let's find the gradient of this line, what will happen? We know that the gradient formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That's my gradient formula. Okay. What is going to happen? The value of x is changing at each point on this line. Okay, fine. Value of x is changing. It means there will be two different values of x. x2, x1. I don't know. I'm not taking any 2 points right now. I'm not considering which 2 points I am taking. I'm just saying that x2, x1 will be there. Now, important part. y2 minus y1. Y value over here, over here, over here, 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 here. At each point, the value of y will remain same because it's a horizontal line. So the value of y will not be changed. Value of y will remain same. Whatever y is over here, that y will be over here. That y will be over here. That y will be over here, over here, over here, over here, or any place on this line, y will remain same. It means there will be no y1, there will be no y2, there is only y. So y minus y, because y is not changing. So I am writing y minus y. Y minus y will be 0 upon x2 minus x1, and anything dividing 0 is always equals to 0. So what does it mean? It means that whenever I'm going to have value of m equals to 0, I will be having a horizontal line. So m equals to 0 when horizontal line. 3 scenarios will be given. If those 3 scenarios are given, it means you will say my gradient will be 0. What are the scenarios? First of all, line is horizontal. Line is horizontal, or line is parallel to x-axis. Line is perpendicular to y-axis. If any of these 3 points are given to you, if any of these 3 conditions are given to you, it means you will directly say, okay, these 3 conditions means that the value of m will be taken as 0. These 3 conditions means value of m will be taken as 0. Now, let's take another one. For instance, again, this is my x-axis. Okay, this is my x-axis. and this is my y-axis. X-axis and y-axis is here. Okay. Now I'm having this line. Okay, I'm having this line, and at this line, I'm saying the value of x is 3. Just a random value I've taken, x equals to 3. When I will move up, what will happen? The value of y will increase. The value of y will increase. Maybe it will become y equals to 1, y equals to 2, y equals to 3, y equals to 4, y equals to 5. And over here it will be y equals to -1, y equals to -2. But the most important thing, but the value of x will not be changing. The value of x will be x equals to 3, 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 and x equals to 3. Okay? So x equals to 3, y equals to 3, and x equals to 3, y equals to -1. These are the 2 points we are selecting to find the gradient of this line. Okay? So gradient formula, m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Gradient formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Plotting my values. Okay? So m equals to y2 3 minus y1 minus 1, x2 3 minus x1 3. Okay, simplifying it further, m equals to 4 over 0, m equals to 4 over 0. Anything being divided by 0, the result is always undefined. The result is always undefined. Anything divided by 0, the result is always undefined. Okay? Okay, so you can see on this line, there is no change in value of x. Value of y are changing, but there is no change in value of x. So when I have found the gradient, my denominator is becoming 0, and whenever anything is divided by 0, the result is always undefined. So again, when will that happen? Conditions. 3 conditions. Again, I am giving you. First of all, line is vertical. First condition. Or line is parallel to y-axis, or line is perpendicular to x-axis. If any of these 3 conditions will be given to us, I will take that the gradient will be undefined. Okay, so 3 things. If line is vertical, line is parallel to y-axis, or line is perpendicular on x-axis, then your gradient will be undefined. Then your gradient will be taken as undefined. Okay, and if your line is horizontal, if your line is parallel to x-axis, if your line is perpendicular to y-axis, then your gradient will be 0. Okay,